Hi, my name is Jay King, and I'm gonna show y'all how to clean office windows. Okay, I'm out here at nighttime. I ran a little late. I was supposed to get it done in the daytime, but nonetheless, we're gonna get it done. We'll get right into it. Okay. All right. So the first thing you want to do, get you a bottle of, like a bottle like this. It's called it's by Zip, a high output chemical sprayer, and just get you some Dawn soap and some water. Not a lot of Dawn, so you don't really need a lot. Just a couple of drops and some water. Shake it up. All right, now the first thing you want to do, let me step to the side. Spray your windows down. Go ahead and get it nice and soaked. All right. Now you get your handy dandy window cleaner. This side right here. This side right here is used to scrub the windows. Pretty much just wash it up for you. And this side is the cleaning side. Pretty much gets all the dirt off and all the water as you go pull it down. Okay. On this one, I have an extension on it, so if this window was any higher, like some of the windows that I have over there on the side, I really need to really extend it a lot. But anyway, let's get back to it. And also, you want to need a microfiber rag so you can wipe your blade after every stroke. Now you don't have to, but I do it that way so I can, just so it can be, just crisp and clean. All right, so let's go ahead and scrub the windows. I'm gonna try to step to the side for y'all. Go ahead and scrub it up. You want to start at the top, but it really don't matter. Start at the top, scrub down. So this company just moved into this building, so about 2 months ago. So I don't know how long before they moved in last time they had these windows cleaned, so I can only guess how dirty it really is. Okay. Now what I do, since I'm not using a bucket of this solution, I spray it again just one more time before I just squeegee it out. Just a light spray, Now, you get your microfiber in hand. All right. Now what you want to do is do clean, long strokes. Now you can do it the way, there's some cleaning methods that show you how to do the zigzag method. I'll show y'all that on another video. I don't have the windows to do it right now, but I'll just show you the way I'm gonna do it now. Just clean strokes from top to bottom. Come all the way down. See how it's dripping? See how it's dripping? You just wanna wipe it off. Wipe it off. Get you another clean stroke. See, I put another layer of moisture up there, so I'm gonna just hit that side again. All the way down. Now, when you get to the bottom, when you get down here to the ledge, you don't want this rubber to rub against the bottom part, because you will create some separation in your rubber squeegee part, and it won't allow you to get clean strokes all the way down. You'll start to see just watermarks in between. It'll create more of a headache for you, so you have to go get a whole new blade, rubber blade, squeegee blade. All right, so let's go on this side right here. Go all the way down. It's kind of weird. I'm trying to do it so y'all can see. All right, see how it's dripping? Dripping off. Wipe your squeegee off so you can get that nice clean stroke. Now let's go over just one more time. Just one more time. All right, see? Now wipe your blade off. Set that to the side. Be careful where you're sitting this blade at, because like I said, you will create some split in your blade, and it will not come out well for you. So now what you want to do train coming past, so I hope y'all can y'all can hear me. I wish I could turn my camera around so you can see the train going past. Cool. Now, what you want to do is come back over with, get a clean side of your microfiber, and just wipe out the water on the edges, along the sides right here. Just wipe it off along the sides, and at the end you want to wipe this bottom edge because you know all the dirt and pollen and everything else that sits there. So, you wipe the sides off. Wipe the sides. Get extra moisture off. Now what you want to do is come across the bottom. I can see it. Make sure you got a part of that hitting the glass because there's still some moisture up there. Okay. Let's get a clean side here. Turn it like that. There we go. Get all the excess moisture off. Now you want to leave it as clean as possible. So when your customer comes and look at it, or whoever you're cleaning for, yourself or whoever, it doesn't matter. It looks clean all across because you might have some spider webs down here at the bottom. You can have some, bird poop, whatever you know what I'm saying. If you got one of these like this window where it's just brick ledge, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it off because it looks, looks professional. So when the customer come back and look at it, it looks, it looks clean. Get all that off there, and yeah. See how clean it is? And that's how you clean windows, office windows, any window. You can clean your house windows, anything like that. Like I said, my name is Jay King. Thanks for your time. Be blessed.